Imagine this. Visitors are browsing your WordPress site. They are interested, but they have no easy way to contact you directly. Wouldn't it be great if they could simply click a button and open a WhatsApp chat with you in seconds? Well, today I'm going to show you how to do just that. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through two simple methods for adding a clickable WhatsApp button to your site. First, we'll start with WordPress' own Gutenberg editor, and then I'll show you how to do it with Elementor, one of the most popular page builder plugins. Don't worry if you need a WordPress. Whether you are working with Gutenberg or trying Elementor for the first time, I'll guide you step by step. Let's make your site more interactive starting now. I'm going to start off with the Gutenberg editor. So I'm going to create a new post. I go to post, add new post. And I'm just going to type here the title, how to install Tidio on WordPress. To keep it simple, I'm just going to populate the body of this post with a dummy text. So there's the dummy text. And now what I'm going to do is to add a button. So I'm just going to hit this plus sign here and look for a button. So here it is. I have a button. And what I want to do is to just change the text here. I'm just going to put click here for more information. We're just going to put more info. Now I'm going to save draft, and I'm just going to view this post in a new tab. So here is the post, and as you can see, the button is there, but it's not clickable. There's no link in that button. So we need to make this button clickable. In order to make it clickable, I need to insert a link here in this space. And here's the link that I need to insert into that field. So all I have to do here is to replace this information with my number and type a message here. So that's what I'm going to do now, starting with a plus sign and my area code, followed by my phone number. So there's my phone number. And for the message, I'm just going to type something like, I need more info. That's all I'm going to type. So I'll just copy this information and paste it into the link field in WordPress and submit. So that's actually all I have to do. So just to see if this is working, I've opened up the newly created post on a mobile device, and I'm just going to click how to install Tidio on WordPress to go into that post, and I can see the button on the lower left corner. So what I'm going to do now, I'm just going to touch that button and it should open up directly on WhatsApp. So as you can see, it opened directly on WhatsApp, and on the lower part it says I need more info. All I have to do now is hit the green button on the right and the message has been sent. That was Gutenberg. Now let's go to Elementor. So now I'm on my website and I'm going to go to the dashboard, then to plugins, add new plugin. Once this is open, I am going to type Elementor. So these are the options that come up for Elementor, and the one I'm going to use is the first one, the one that says Elementor Website Builder, more than just a page builder. So I'm going to hit install now. It's installing. And I'm going to activate it. So now that Elementor is active, I'm going to create a new post. So I'm coming over to post, add new post, and I'm going to hit edit with Elementor. Now I'm going to replace this default title. I'm just going to hit the post settings button here and just enter and title 10 best WordPress live chat plugins. And I will save draft and refresh my page, and that's going to change the title. So 10 best WordPress live chat plugins. Now, just to keep it simple, I'm only going to add a heading, a text editor, and a button. So I'm just going to drag this here, and I'm just going to hit this plus sign that says add element. I'm going to add a text editor. I'm coming back here to add element, and I'm going to add a button. Here I'm just going to type live chat plugins. And this is going to be the body of the article. So I'm just going to leave this lorem ipsum. Actually, let me just go ahead and populate it with more lorem ipsum text. This is just a dummy text. So here is the dummy text for this post, and now let's work with the button. So to keep it simple, I'm just going to touch this button here, and instead of click here, I'm just going to change that to contact us. Let me just put us, capital letter, icon. I'm just going to add an icon here, so I'm just going to use this icon library, and I'm going to look for WhatsApp. So here's a WhatsApp icon. Insert. I'm just going to leave the button that color, and actually icon position, let me just put it to on the right side or on the end. And now let's focus on the link. So here's the exact link that you want to paste inside that WordPress button, and all you have to do is to replace, enter your phone number here and type your message here. What I'm going to do then is highlight, enter your phone number here, and I'm going to start with a plus sign. Then I'm going to add my country code and my phone number. And I'm going to type a quick message here, and it's going to say, I need more info. That's it. So I'm going to copy this information here, and I'm going to paste it in the Elementor button. So here I'm back to WordPress and Elementor, and I highlight my contact us button. All I want to do now is position myself here where it says link. I'm going to erase this hyphen, and I'm just going to paste the information that I copied from my notepad. Next step is to publish this blog, and we'll see if it really works. So here I am live on my website from my smartphone, and I'm going to go into the 10 best WordPress live chat plugins post. Once that's open, I'm just going to hit the contact us button on the lower left corner. So as I open it, it takes me directly to WhatsApp. And as you can see on the bottom, it says, I need more info. So it definitely works. And there you have it. 2 easy ways to add a WhatsApp clickable button on your WordPress site. If you found this video helpful, you'll also find this other video helpful about how to easily set up WhatsApp on your WordPress website with click to chat. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.